Let's go to LeetCode 2079, watering plants. For this question, it gives us an integer array of plants, which represent for every plant how many water we need to water our plants. And also, there is you are at the initially at the index 0, and there are, for example, initially you are at the index -1, I think, and you have the water with capacity. And for this plant, there are several plants. For example, these plants they need water 2 and 2, and at this plant need water 3, and this plant need water 3. And the things that you go through from the initial position and go to the right. So, for example, we have 5 at the beginning. Then we go to this plant, and then we have left 3, right? And then we go to this plant, we left 1. Then go to at index 2, we'll find what the water we have is less than the plant we need. So what we need to do is that we need to go back. We need to actually the things that I will say this is go one step, go step, and he seems that he doesn't need to go to this plant to know that water is not enough. He at the index 1, he's able to know the next one. He's not able to water, so he need to go back 2 steps, and then to get more water, to get the capacity of water, and then here he go 3 steps to this one to water this, right? So now he has 5 waters on hand, and 5 minus 3, that is 2, right? The next one is 3 again. Get this step, he's not able to. He say for next one I'm not enough water. What he do is that he will go back 3 steps, and then go 4 steps. So to water. So ask how many steps to totally go for this kind of process. So that he goes 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So total equals 14, right? So this question is just simulate to the simulations. So the things that for every index, so we need to we need to check whether we use a variable called current. We check whether our current water is enough to greater equal to the plant I, right? So if it is greater than equal the plant I, then what we do is that we are at 1 step, and also current minus equal to plant I. If it's not, so we will say, for example, this is the next one, index I will not be able to, we don't have enough water, right? So what we do is that we are from this index 1, right, to go back 2 steps and forward, go this kind of steps, right? So if at index 2 not enough water, so what we do is that we'll add 2 multiple by index, and then we use our capacity minus plant again. And also for this one, we need to plus one, right? So the thing is that if at a stage, if we find our water is not enough, so what we do is that we'll add to multiply by index. So after this analysis, we can write the code. We need a variable called current water, right? Current water, it is at beginning, it is a capacity. And let's have a result equals to 0, right? So what do is that for int I equals 0, I smaller than plus dot length I plus plus, right? So we'll say if current smaller than plus I, that means we need to refill the water, right? So we need to have result plus equal to 2 multiplied by I. And we'll now have current equals to capacity. And for any cases, we need to have a result plus plus and also current minus equals to capacity. In the end, we return results. Result plus plus. Result not the minus capacity, is minus plant. I. And convert this to Python. Should be will have current result current equals capacity result equal to 0 for I let's have n data n out, right? Get its length n equals length parts, right? So what do we do is that for I in range I range length n, right? And what we do is that if current smaller than capacity plant size, then we'll refill, right? So what we do is that also our result will add equal to 2 multiplied by I, and also our current equals to capacity. And also for any other cases, we'll have a result plus plus, and also we'll have a current minus equals to plant. In the end, we just return result. Plus. Okay, the time complexity is O(n).